Moving on to external forces, Dick's Sporting Goods, they are directly impacted by the professional sports scene. The professional athletes and their popularity have a lot of impact on some of the items and products that Dick's is selling. For example, if you walk into Dick's now and head to the football section, you're most definitely going to see uh, pictures of Patrick Mahomes modeling perhaps some certain spike that he wears, a Derek Jeter baseball glove. You'll be able to find that on the shelves, things like that. They really try to cater to the popularity of the athlete. Um, of the powers that can pressure companies, the one that exerts the most pressure on Dick's Sporting Goods is easily the power of suppliers. This one is because they have numerous number of suppliers that stock their shelves, which goes hand in hand with their core competency, which is the ability to have a vast supply of items on hand so that the customers can be able to pick exactly what they want and what they need. The way that Dick's combats this is they have, over the years, they have been able to forge mutually beneficial relationships with their suppliers so that this power never comes back to bite them. As for the sports apparel industry itself, it is very difficult to enter. This is because there are a few massive companies that take up a large majority of the market share. For example, Dick's takes up roughly 27% of all sports apparel sales done in in the United States, and Foot Locker is not far behind them, and that takes up almost or over 50%. Uh, so yeah, it's a very difficult industry to get into. Dick's Sporting Goods mission statement. I wanted to include this in here just because it goes along with their values. It goes for what they stand for and how they relate to the customer. Their target customers, obviously, athletes. Dick's Sporting Goods was founded on a belief in the value of sports, a belief that sports can shape who we are, build character, transform communities, and change lives. It is